How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. This is going to be a pretty cool video because the owner that I just purchased the car off of gave me some keys that he received from Mercedes that were spec'd out to be the original ones. And I couldn't get the one in the ignition, but I could get one of the door locks to work. And when I got in the car, I realized that the glove box was locked. Today, I decided to unlock it. I'm going to unveil what I found, and it's really awesome. But first, I want to thank you guys for all the support you've given me, for filling me in on things that you guys want to see, for telling me to get this car, because this is the first day that I've really dove into this. I'm already super excited. The project is going to be a big one, but I can already see that we're accomplishing an insane amount in just the one day that I've been working on it. My next thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is the startup of this car. So I couldn't do that today because the battery wasn't working, and I don't even know if it's going to take a charge. So I decided to dive into some of the cosmetics, and then we're going to dive back into getting it running. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what is in the glove box, because it's really awesome, and show you guys real quick where we're at. I just started to clean down this back seat, and I should be, if not already, launching a video on cleaning the front seats and also cutting out the floor pans. So we've got this side completely cut out. That one was originally replaced, I can see now, because it's a completely flat one, and this one's not that bad. So we might have a lot less work than we thought on some of this rust work, and the frames are very solid, so we're doing good there. So let's go ahead and open this. I think I kept it unlocked. Yeah. All right. So first off, there's some fuses, some common things that people keep in there. I think there's some fuses and light bulbs in there. Okay. And there's another receipt there. I have no idea what this is, but it says something about 47,140 new, which is what I'm guessing the next person purchased it. And our odometer reads, let's see here. It reads 60,685 on the odometer, and obviously back then they didn't have the full digits, so we don't know if that's 160 or if it's actually 60. And this book kind of shows us that there's a possibility that this car might not have that many miles. Now, of course, this is what's really cool about this. I guess when you purchased a Mercedes back then, they gave you a plate, and I don't want to show anything on here because it's the original owner's name and address, and basically with a date that he purchased it, which is 10/30/66. Other than that, I don't want to show you the information to keep his privacy. And in this book is his information as well again, so I'm going to kind of pass by that. But there are some service records, which is really cool, of when he dropped it off and got some things done. So really cool. Now, it ends pretty early, which is the sad part. It ends in 1968 here at 37,000 miles. So he did put a fair amount of miles on it in 2 years. So, like I said, this could have a lot more miles than what's showing on the odometer, but pretty cool. There's a little notepad in here too. But we've got the original Mercedes manual on this car, which is pretty darn awesome, and then some information historically. So I hope that you guys like that. I thought it was awesome that, first off, the glove box opened up and is kind of solid. And secondly, there were some cool surprises in there, because you never know. They could be completely empty. Once again, guys, let me know of anything you guys see, and any tips, tricks that you know. I am not a professional with rust. I've purchased some vehicles when I was younger that had rust, and I was able to grind them down, prime them up, but I'm not a professional on making sure that that does not come back. So any products that you know that I should spray on these after grinding it down and then priming it, please fill me in. You guys, especially up north where you have to deal with this all the time. We're in Florida. It is December 16th, and I'm wearing shorts, and it's like 80 degrees out right now. So obviously we do not have to deal with the salt and the snow and the rust. But once again, my name's Pete. This is Pete's Carport. Stay tuned. This 1967 W110 200D is going to be on this channel for a while, and we're going to be doing a lot to it. And if you own one, fill me in. I'd love to hear about it. Have a blessed day, guys, and thanks for supporting the channel.